Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the daily newspaper on a Friday, June the 19th, 2020. We have two Sudokus, a Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. The regular Sudokus I will first solve them, because in this today's newspaper there are also extra Sudokus in the additional. But first one, this one, a Sudoku Light. So let's get started. Alright, we see here a 3 in this row, a 3 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there, but I see here 3. No 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the third column. So in the second column, the column between, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there, but I see here 3. No 3 there, 3 should be here. And all the 3's are used, I can see. Yes, alright. First digit. And now. Let me see. How about the number? The number. 4 in the third column. 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there, but I see here a 4. No 4 there, 4 should be here. A4 in the last row, A4 in the row above. So that row, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there, but I see here 4. No 4 there, 4 should be here. And now, now I cannot continue with the 4. Yeah, let me see another digit. How about the number 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 5 should be here. Then no, I need to wait. How about the 1 in the first column, the 1 in the second column? So in the third column, the only place for the 1 should be here. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 1 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 1. We have 2 missing numbers in this column. The 2 and the 1. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have a 6 in this row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 6 should be there. And we have a pair. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. Same with the 1 in this column and the 1 in that column. So in the column between, the 6 and the 1, the 6 and the 1 goes in these two boxes. 1 box left for this big square for the number 7. 7 in this row, first row, 7 in the third row, so the row between. The only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so in the middle column. The only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so in the last row, the only 2 places for the 7 here or there, but I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then, how about the 8? The 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place for the 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so in the middle row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, so in the last column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below, so in the last row, the only place for the 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there, but I see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. How about the number 2? We have one number left in this big square for the number 2. Here 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in the last row for the number 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 2 here or there, but I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this first row, 2 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 2 here or there, but I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and all the 2s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. 1 digit left in this row for the number 5. 1 digit left in this big square for the number 9. 2 digits left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 5. We have 6 and 5. I cannot fill this yet. How about these two? These 2 numbers, 6 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 1. We have a 6 now, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 4. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 6, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 9 minutes. Wow! Sudoku Light, 9 minutes. I can't believe it. Yes. I'm very, very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other regular Sudoku. That will be a Sudoku heavy. Alright. Thank you and bye bye for now.